Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, blue color, red color, pink color, black color, green color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, purple color. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for octopus. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for van. W for water. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's learn numbers. 1 Number 2 Number 3 Number 4 Number 5 Number 6 Number 7 Number 8 Number 9 1 0 10 1 Red color. 2 Purple color. 3 Black color. 4 Red color. 5 Green color. 6 Blue color. 7 Green color. 8. Purple color. 9. Orange color. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.